Signpost for Fish Cheeks by Amy Tan discussion post. In last class, we reread Fish Cheeks together, identifying and annotating the text for signpost moments. Your text saved in your ELA folder should now be highlighted and color-coded with the lines of the text that revealed important information to us, the reader. Today, your assignment is to Number 1, look back over those lines that are highlighted and our comments about them. Then decide which signpost moment revealed the most important information to you. Number 2, write a response to the discussion post below. You may use the sentence starters provided in the directions below. Be sure to identify the signpost, paragraph, and line that revealed the most important information. For example, the signpost from Fish Cheeks that I feel revealed the most important information was the blank. Tell the signpost type. In paragraph, give the number. The author wrote, and then in quotes, whatever typed line from the text you choose to include. Explain what you have learned from that line and why it is the most important signpost moment. This signpost moment helped me understand. This was the most important signpost moment for me because. And then following this, end with a concluding sentence. In conclusion, make sure to revise and edit your writing. For example, make sure that the title is punctuated and capitalized appropriately. Make sure that you use quotations around the exact lines of the text. Make sure that you capitalize first words and proper nouns. Make sure that your spelling is correct. Grading. This is a graded discussion post. Identify the title and signpost type, 0.5 points. Identify the line from the text, 0.5 points. Explain what deeper meaning the line reveals to the readers, 1 point. Justify that information is the most important, 2 points. Concluding sentence, 1 point. Proper spelling, punctuation, capitalization, and grammar, 1 point. Make sure that you reach out and email either of us if you need any help.